Well, hello everybody. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. So in today's video, I want to share something with you guys, or actually a question that so many forex traders out there ask, and that question is, can I learn forex trading free? So let's do it like this. Let me share a few ideas with you guys. I want to show you a few things, and from there on I'm going to answer this question: can I learn forex trading free? Get more into it and give you a few answers, things that I personally feel, things that bothers me about this question. So let's get right to it. Oh, it's actually my bull terrier barking there. Okay. So you know what? I think let's actually go to my real life account. I'm going to go to MetaTrader 4. As you guys can see, this is TradingView, tradingview.com. So what I use is, for my charting software, my charting package that I use is tradingview.com. You guys can go and follow me there. Just search for Errol Mueller and follow me. So yeah, MetaTrader 4. This is my live account. As you guys can see here in the left hand corner, that's my account number, and then FX Open Real 1. Now FX Open is the broker that I use. It's up to you guys what broker you want to use. I'm not saying go out there, look for FX Open and use them. All I'm saying is this is the broker that I use, that I did all my back testing with. And I know they're not stealing any money from anybody. So yes. Okay. So first on, this is a pattern that I've shared in my previous videos. You guys can have a look at my YouTube channel. I'll assume you guys are going to see this on my YouTube, so that's why I'm sharing it on my YouTube. You can look at my previous 2 videos and you will see I shared this pattern, GBP JPY, and this was actually called a bat pattern. So if I draw it in for you guys, it will look something like this. And let's quickly bring in my Fibonacci here. So bat pattern completes at an 886% Fibonacci retracement. So what happened is I got short here around the 187.329s, just below that, and if I draw in my Fibonacci again from swing low, sorry about that guys, from swing low to swing high, you will see that the market came down, reached the 382%, almost made it to the 50%, and then so what I do is I'm looking for a target 1 at the 382 and target 2s at the 618% Fibonacci retracement. So what happened is the market came down, almost touched the 50%, and then from there on rally back up. Now a lot of traders will, at this stage, they will get out as soon as possible. Now I don't know what your trade plan is, I don't know what you've back tested, but for me personally, I will hang in there until I either get stopped out, seeing that I reached my target 1, my stops, which was above the X leg here, will move to break even, and then from there on I will wait. If the market comes out, touches my stop loss, then I'm taken out for break even. If the market decides to double top here, you can actually expect a double top here guys. So we've got a reversal point of this much. So if the market does decide to touch here, we've got some previous support levels here as well. We've got a support, we've got a support, resistance, we break through, but immediately got sucked back by the market, and then we've got another support zone all the way down. This bat pattern formed, and we hit another support, resistance here. So we might even see a double top and the market roll over all the way. Otherwise, we might even see a breakthrough and the market continues in trend continuation. So if we do it like this, then you guys can see we had an initial low, and then we pushed up for higher low, and then we came down, back up, new structure low, got an outside return. Not a new structure low, sorry guys, new structure high. We got an outside return, another new structure high. We got an outside return, and now we're looking for the double bottom. For you guys who's not involved with the trade, you've got another opportunity to get involved with the trade. We're looking at a double bottom to get short again and look for those 382% for target 1, 618 for target 2. As you guys can see at the bottom, my RSI, which is the dark blue one, my ATR is the thin black line here. So as you guys can see, the blue one's the RSI. It's almost at extreme overbought conditions, and that's the 80%, the 80 level. We almost reached that. So I'm going to look for another short opportunity here, and as soon as we reach the double top here. Let's quickly see if I do an Fibonacci extension, if we get some Fibonacci confluence there. So let me put this back in, 886, which is right here. From the A to B leg, we've got a, look at that, 1618, 886% retracement lining up right on each other. Let's take it a step further. From this leg here all the way down to the bottom, we don't quite make it. As you guys can see, the 127% is just above that. But if we take it from this leg here down to the bottom, we get another Fibonacci level lining up here, which is a 127%. And so guys, we've got a Fibonacci confluence there. So that's just something to look at. And then next, what I wanted to share with you was some patterns that was, or pairs that was very profitable for me. As you can see at the bottom here, these are not all the pairs that I trade. I removed my actual pairs that I've back tested, that I know works for me, that's profitable for me. I've removed those, but I want to share with you guys. I wanted to share this pattern with you. And then on Euro USD, we also had a massive bad pattern here. Let me quickly draw it in for you guys. Let's go 886%. Now a lot of you guys will ask me, hey, look, from your X to A leg, A to B, B to C, and then C to D completing right at the 886, you will ask me, well, look, like you said, your stops must go above the X leg. Yes, that's what I said. But now, with this pair, or with this trade that I took, my stops was above my X leg, and it was, I think it was 46 pips above the X leg. So, which was just above this new structure higher. And what happened was, it was a false breakup. The market sucked it right back, and we managed to hit target 1 and target 2s. Let's take a look at, from that X leg here, 44 pips above that. What was that? Where we would have ended up. Let's quickly see. So if I take it all the way to the top, guys will see that it's 44 pips, which is at the 1.1504 level, and that's 44 pips. Now, as you guys can see, it says 443. Now, that 443, my broker that I use has got a 5 decimal. It's a 5 decimal broker, so you only work with the first 4 numbers. So it's 1 point and then the 4 numbers. The last one it's just points. I don't see that as pips. So that 443 is actually 44 pips, and you can see it was just above this false breakout here. So if I pull in my Fibonacci here for the complete move of this leg, you will see that I entered here at the 886. We hit target 1, which was the 382s, round about here. Stops rolled to break even. Market pushed up a little bit from, okay, let's do it like this. If I pull it all the way from the top to the bottom, we had a small retracement, and then from there on the market just rolled all the way down, and we never managed to, or the market never managed to hit my stop loss. So for this trade I actually ended up making, which was 162 pips. A nice little winner there. Let's move on to the next one. Quickly do this. Before I move on, guys, there was another pattern involved, which was also a bad pattern actually. I want to share a Gartley with you guys, because in my previous videos I only shared Cypher pattern and bad patterns. But we had another bad pattern here. Came down all the way, hit the 886% retracement, and from there on, no looking back, we hit target 1s and target 2s. So for this trade here, I ended up making a nice 90 pips. So that's it for Euro USD. Euro JPY, we had, I think it was another bad pattern. Let's quickly have a look at it. It's another bad pattern, most definitely. So another bad pattern on Euro JPY. From the A to D leg completion, we had the bad pattern, stops above X. So from where I entered all the way down, as you guys can see, we came down to the 50%. From there on, we had an outside return. We didn't quite make it back to our entry point. So, and then from there on, the market just rolled over, managed to hit target 2s for a nice 232 pip winner. And there was another pair I want to share with you guys. It was the Gartley. Mentioning the Gartley, and I actually mentioned it just now. So let's quickly have a look at this. Yes, it was a Gartley. It most definitely was a Gartley. So from the B to A leg, Fibonacci extension, you will see entry points for my Gartley pattern is at the 127 extension from a B to A leg, or A to B leg. We managed to hit 127s, and from there on it was no looking back. There was no looking back, and we managed to hit target 1 and 2s for a winner of 112 pips. Not bad, guys. So let's go back to my charting software or charting package that I use, and that is TradingView. It is free, guys. You can sign up, follow me, sign up, share ideas. I'd like to comment on your ideas, comment on my ideas, ask me questions. I will be here to help you. So what I wanted to share with you guys, as you can see on my screen here, I've got a pair Euro odd. On my right hand side you will see here the Euro odd, and this was a bad pattern. There's it, there's the bad pattern. It's not completed yet, but we might look at a bad pattern completion at the 886%, and stops must obviously go just below the X leg here. So I think I might even see a ABCD pattern. So if I do this, if I draw in my line here, sorry, A to B, I'll copy that, paste it, take it down. It completes at the 786%. So it's not a perfect ABCD pattern. But what we want to do is you don't want to get short, you don't want to get long at the 786%. Rather wait for that bad pattern completion at the D leg, which is the 886%, and then look to get long. That's it, guys. What I do want to do is, like I said at the beginning of my video, just put in a, just increase my webcam size here. So like I said is, I want to answer your question, can I learn Forex trading free? Now, I see that's a question asked by a lot of traders. Now you must ask yourself, what do you mean by free? Is it you don't want to pay money, you don't want to pay anything, you just want to learn a system and trade it? Or what does it involve? Because let me give you my answer to this. There's no such thing as Forex trading free. You can't learn a system for free, and it either takes up your time, you're either going to end up paying for it, or that's actually your most valuable thing is time. You don't want to you're going to pay with your time, no matter what you do. Like I said in my previous videos, if you do find a system out there on the internet, somewhere on YouTube, if you guys want to learn from me, you can always learn from me. But if you do find a system out there that's free, what I suggest you guys do is take that system, backtest it. Backtesting is the main thing in Forex trade. It's I don't know how to explain it. It's the key thing that you want to do with any system before going live. You want to backtest it, make sure it's profitable, and then from there on you follow your trade plan and you start trading it. You start with the demo account, you trade at least for 3 to 6 months on a demo account, and then you only go live. Make sure your system works. Don't just go out there, search on YouTube or search on Google, for free systems and immediately throw money in there and then just trade it. Don't do it. I suggest you don't do it. I've been through it. I've gone that through it. It doesn't work. You have to make sure you backtest your system. So, like I said, either you're going to pay with your money or you're going to pay with your time. There is no such thing as learning Forex trading for free. It takes time, guys. It takes hard work. Believe me, I've been through it. I've been there. I've actually blown an account. It's not good. And then from there on, I've followed my rules to the T. I backtested. I've done everything, and it's just going great now. It's backtest. That's all I can say. So yes, that's it. That was my video for today. Please guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel. I will share videos like this every single week. I will share ideas every single week. Follow me on TradingView. Look me up on Twitter. I will share all the links below this video for you guys to have a look at. And that's it. Best of luck to all you out there. What else? There's actually something else I wanted to discuss with you guys now. I forgot to make the note. Okay, but as soon as I remember, I'll make a quick short video for you guys and you can have a look at it. That's it. Best of luck and enjoy the rest of your day.